Now, I want to show you how to create a Microsoft subscription for yourself. Let's get to it now. Now, I'll be showing you how to create a subscription for yourself, how to get the free $200 for the month. You understand? So let me just start it, and please, if you miss any step of the process, try as much as possible to watch the video again. Okay. Okay, so create one. Okay, in this aspect, I will be using I will use this at gmail.com. Okay, so I'm using this email address to create a new subscription for myself. Next, a verification email has been sent to me. Let me try to confirm that. Oh, sorry, I used the wrong email address. What is that? 14 at gmail.com. Okay, a a verification code has been sent to me. Nigeria. You can fill in your date of birth. Um, can you see it? Yes, no. Okay. I will not. So you can choose to select this based on what you want to do. Okay. So let's wait while it load. Okay, I don't want to create a passkey. I don't want to create a passkey. So I don't want to create a passkey. Okay. Can you see I've already created an account on Microsoft now? Please, I believe we can get to this ourselves following the process I did. So after creating an account, you have these options. You have start with a free trial, or the next one is to manage your Microsoft Entra ID and so on and so forth. And also you have get free soft. These are just for students. You understand? So, but this one is when you are a student and they can verify your academic status. Do you understand? That means if you're a student in university or any higher institution, but you need to provide details of your school and so on and so forth, and Microsoft will verify that. But for our demo sessions, we'll be having a $200 free credit for Microsoft products and services. This for the free trial. So you can just click on start free trial. Sorry, it's still load on. So try Azure for free. Please just follow the prompt. So you just fill in these details, you understand? So you just click on this for personal use, browse digitals, email address, phone number. I'll be dropping my phone number in here, or I drop the second. Anyone, I'm coming, please. I'm coming. Please give me a minute.
Hello, Mr. Alatunde and Alasunbo, please, did you guys get the assignment? Tunde, are you
Hear anything, no? Cause I
are
don't know
you
if my
actually?
network is sleeping or something, but I didn't hear any assignments.
Oh boy, okay. Elvis, did you
Okay,
hear any
okay,
assignment?
I will talk about the assignments later. Don't worry.
Okay,
I will.
all right.
Sorry, please. I am trying to get a phone number that I can use. Sorry, please. Okay, so I want to fill my phone. So next thing after filling my phone number details, I just need to follow the order prompt. Okay, use these arrows to move. Done. Use option, the order not. Control. Option. Okay, verification complete. Next, my address because address to because postal code. I would like to see 100%. What is the postal code of Lagos?
So it depends on the area in Lagos. There are different areas. Lekki has their own postal code, different areas.
So,
That is 100040.
okay, can you see? So they are asking me to put my card details. So the reason why my card details is asked for is that if I use more than the allocated $200, it's pay as you go. Do you understand? But um, because of I'll be using my card details now. So, but I won't be sharing my screen, please. Please, can you see my screen? Guys, can you see my screen?
Yeah, yes, you can.
So after that, after filling the card details and so on, you go to sign up. After that, once that is done, it's going to tell you that you are having your uh, free Microsoft $20. You get it, sorry, $200 credit for the first 30 days. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So once you go back to your subscription year, this will be gone. You understand? So that is that about creating the subscription. Sorry, I couldn't create mine myself. I forgot my card details inside the car. Okay, good. I think that's about this. Okay, let me first talk about the assignment. So the assignment we'll be doing is number one. Everybody should create a Azure subscription. Sign up to Azure portal.azure.com. Everybody should sign up to Azure portal. So let me drop the URL so nobody will tell me.